Well, another mid-60s Homelite saved. This one's an XL-12. Didn't really take much to get this one going. Cleaned and reset the points. Replaced the fuel line. Rebuilt the carburetor. I'm actually just getting it dialed in here. Running a 16-inch bar on it. Again, hard-nosed bar. Runs pretty well. Just got to find a better fuel cap for it. I am going to put a longer recoil rope in it. Sharpen up the chain. And I believe I said find a better fuel cap. And ready to go. And these things are loud. So when I am tuning them, I do wear a pair of earmuffs. So, see you later. Bye.